Hi everyone, I'm Anna Peters, Zambia ArTeam member, and I'm here to share with you how to do some compressed styling. So we all know that time is of the essence behind the chair. We're trying to get the color of the cut just right, and then maybe we run out of time for that beautiful finish. That finish is not an extra step. It is necessary to show off your beautiful work and to show off that color, that cut, and really make it that final touch for the client. So I want to share with you a quick way that you can get beautiful results with this compressed styling technique. So we're going to be taking large sections that we are going to be creating a beautiful natural kind of wave through them, and this is going to save you a ton of time as well as give your client that beautiful texture that they can play with. Okay, so we're going to start off with the 2-in-1 Marcel Iron and Wand. This tool can detach the spoon, so you just have the wand, or you could work with it in the Marcel form and just click that back on. So we have it unlocked in the Marcel form. We're also going to be turning the heat up to a safe color treated setting at amber, and that's at 392 degrees. Combing through this section and combing towards the front of the face, we're then going to place our iron in as close to the base as possible. We're going to turn away from the face, dropping that tip out, full circle around, holding that iron there, heating up that hair, dropping that tip out and a full circle back around. So my tip is pointing up. There we go. And we're going to do this down the hair, all the way down. And what's happening here is this is compressing as it's heating up. We're just gonna drop those ends out slightly and let this sit just like that. We're then gonna cold press this with an iron that is not hot, a nice cold flat iron. Those plates are nice and cool. So this is like that cold shot on your dryer that's just going to help that curl pattern set. So I'm doing a cold press with the Zambia Sleeker, not on. The plates are nice and cool. And we just go down that, cooling off and compressing even more that wave pattern. You could see how that is just staying like that. And we're gonna let that sit like that until the very end. Moving on to the left back section now. We're gonna comb through and we're going to do the same thing here. So we're going to place our iron at the base, turn and go move towards the face, turning away from the face, letting that heat up, then dropping that tip out and doing a full rotation to where my tip is now pointing up again, pulling through, full rotation again. Now this is where we could speed things up. We have lots of tension. Our heat is sitting there for a little bit and then it's wrapping around, creating that nice tension through this curl pattern here and just pulling down through the ends. While working in this back section, we're not going to be over directing towards one side or the other. We're going to stay neutral in our section. You can see there's some layers, internal layers here that we are going to have popping out, and that's okay. could see how quickly you're able to get the whole head curled and create this fun new texture for your client. We're now going to brush it out, working with the Sambia Artist Series paddle brush. Absolutely love this brush for the boar bristles that are in it for the polish, and then the pins that are able to dig deep and detangle. So we're going to have our client lean their head back, and we're going to just start to brush out this wave pattern. Give it a nice thorough brush, and you're gonna see this beautiful natural texture that you can get having her lift her head up, bringing all of that hair forward. And look at that beautiful wave pattern we created in 4 sections. All right, just to recap, to get this beautiful finish, we worked with the 1-inch 2-in-1 Marcel Iron and wand in the Marcel form. We compressed, curled these sections, 5 sections, and we compressed them in the iron, curling 1 section at a time, directing everything towards the face. We then went through and cold pressed that curl pattern with a cool sleeker. So it's not turned on, the plates are cold, and we slid that down to lock in that texture. This is what we got after brushing it out with the Artist Series paddle brush, and hope that this is something that you're gonna try. It's really fun and very quick. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Anna Peters, Sambia's ArTeam member, and stay tuned at sambia.com and Sambia's YouTube channel for more free education. See you soon. Bye.